We're going to go ahead and get started. Let me get this microphone on me here. Sorry, I was in bed. All right, whoever came in, can you let me know if we've got a good volume here? All right, here we go. I'll wait and see if we got a good volume. We'll see. Guys, I'm sorry. I was in bed asleep. I went to bed early because of the big storm coming in tomorrow, so I thought 10 o'clock's reasonable. No. 2 hours ago, there was a 6.4 Kermadec Island. Since then, they've had several large aftershocks. I will put this in. All right. USGS sent out a tweet stating there was a 6.4 Kermadec Island, New Zealand. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. Okay. EMSC put out a tweet for a 6.2. They have a 6.4 on their page now. So let me go ahead and get that up for you. Australia also posted on this, but they had it bigger than that. They just had a 5.8. They've got a 5.0, a 5.1. I'll get those to you. And another 5.1 and a 5.5 aftershocks for this. And a 5.3 aftershock. Hey, sis. All right. As you can see, EMSC's got it as a 6.4 also. They put it up as a 6.2 on a tweet. All right. So, EMSC has it at 6.4 Kermadec Islands, New Zealand. They've got it at 10 kilometers in depth. Now, I've got it on a US Tsunami page. They said it was a 6.6 Kermadec Island, New Zealand, with no tsunami. Okay, no tsunami. All right, so now they've had about 5 or 6 aftershocks in the 5-pointers. Let me take you to Australia here. Australia has it higher than USGS or EMSC or even GEONET New Zealand. Now they kept it as GEONET New Zealand for the primary data source. GEONET New Zealand has it as a 5.6. Okay, but it says PRELIM. They have not updated it yet. Australia has it right there, 6.5. They've got it at 10 kilometers in depth. Kermadec Islands, New Zealand. You'll have the screenshots of all of these, okay, when I put it into community. Please give me a few minutes. GFC did not post on this earthquake at this time. Let me take you to the US Tsunami page here. Hang on. See if I can enlarge this here in any shape, fashion, or form. There we go. I hope you can see this, guys. No, you can't. Hang tight. Let's try that again. Taking you to the US Tsunami page. Hi, sweetie. How are you? Bella Vision. Hi. Okay, there we go. The US Tsunami page has this as a 6.6. They've got it at 21 miles in depth. So they buoys are working. As you can see, no tsunami up there on the top. I mean, we'll see if I can shrink this just a hair so you can see the whole thing. It says no tsunami, no threat, no warning, no advisories. Okay, for this earthquake. Thank you so much, sweetie. I'll get all the aftershocks. They've got about 5 or 6 of them now for this earthquake. Now you've got GEONET New Zealand. Let me pull that up. And I'll show you that they've still got it as a 5.6. Enlarge this here. But guys, look at the bottom here. Hang tight. They still have it as a 5.6, but they've got it as a prelim, okay? They don't have it as seen by a person yet. But everybody else has got it as 6-pointer, 6.2, 6.3, 6.6, okay? All right. Excuse me. You're going to have the tweets for USGS. Yeah, we definitely did. We've got the U.S. disaster alert. Let me pull them up, and I'll read that. I'll get busy and give you the aftershocks. This happened 2 hours and 45 minutes ago. Like I said, I am sorry. I apologize. I was in bed asleep. All right. Then Buster got me up. That was a 5.8 that just occurred. There is a tweet for that one from USGS. I'm going down right now and opening up disaster alert. So you see all their aftershocks here. Those are all aftershocks, guys. I will get them to you as soon as possible here. I won't go to bed till all the aftershocks are up. An earthquake of magnitude 6.4 to depth of 6.2 miles has occurred. The Kermadec Islands, New Zealand region, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. This is a preliminary, okay? This is a preliminary. Hey, Oaks. You'll have all these links, every one of them right now in the description box. Since it happened 2 hours ago, everybody's pretty well set, except for New Zealand on their first and original post, and they still have that as a preliminary, okay? They still have it as a preliminary. USGS, once again, I'm not going to put in the screenshots GEONET New Zealand, since it's a preliminary. If they decide to upgrade that I will put it in the comment section. But the screenshot, you'll have the map of the USGS webpage, the EMSC webpage, the Australia webpage, and the US Tsunami page, and where this earthquake took place, okay? Speaking of, we're going to go ahead and pull this up so you can see all the aftershocks after it. Now, New Zealand is not... New Zealand's all got preliminary on every one they have here. USGS and EMSC in Australia have it as a little higher here. Okay, let me show you these aftershocks that are there also. They still have GeoNet New Zealand as the primary data source. For some reasons, volcano discovery does not change New Zealand's information at all. So if it happens in New Zealand, they're going to leave it up there as the primary data source, just so you know. All right, there it sits. Look at all the aftershocks that are happening, guys. So give me a few minutes to get this to you so you will have it, okay? All right, they're saying the closest volcano is green, normal, and dormant, and it's showing it there on the map. All right, I will get everything for you. Oh, Lordy. It's going to take me some time. I want to make sure and verify who said what. They'll all be primary data source, New Zealand, with USGS there, okay? Sorry, guys, that's the way it's going to go. So, the latest one that USGS has is, let me show you here. Okay, I've got 6 to go up. Okay, so right now I got a 5.8, a 5.0, a 5.1. I've got a 5.1 again, a 5.3, a 5.3. So I got 6 earthquakes to put up. It's going to be in 2 parts. All right, so you know. It'll be in 2 parts. That's all I have, guys. We'll go back down to show you USGS again on Kermadec Islands, New Zealand. Opening it up. Okay. Okay, USGS stated it was a 6.4 Kermadec Islands, New Zealand. They've got it, region that is, and they've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. Let me go to EMSC here and pull them up. Now, EMSC still has it in blue. I'm sorry, but they do. That's to show no tsunami warning. They've got it at a 6.4. Kermadec Islands, New Zealand. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. They've got the closest village or closest island is the Tonga Islands, 593 miles south. Population of 1,200. Now let me check and see how many people felt this earthquake. 6.4. Let me go back to USGS, open this up, and we're going to see. They're saying only one person felt this earthquake. That's what they're saying. Okay. That's all they're saying. All right. I will put everything into the screenshots for you into the community page with this page. Appreciate it. No Bella, no numbers. Thank you. I've got about 6 other earthquakes to get up there for you. Aftershocks 5.1s and higher. I will do that for you. Yes, peace, sweetie. I will get that up for you. But right now, GEONET New Zealand, who posted this earthquake first, still has it as a preliminary. They have not had seen by a person yet. Australia's got it at a 6.3. I mean, a 6.6, I think it was. Hang on. That was not a preliminary. Let me pull up Australia again. Australia's got it at a 6.5, not a 6.4. Okay, so Australia's got it at a 6.5. USGS, EMSC have it as a 6.4. GEONET, New Zealand, has it at a 5.6. All right, so you'll have all screenshots included. Right now, all links are in the description box. Please take a minute to check it out. And I apologize. I did fall asleep. I did go to bed early. I wanted to have a little bit of something about me when the storm hits tomorrow. So just be careful. Be safe. I love you all. Give me a few minutes. A few minutes to get the aftershocks up for you. And I'll do my best to get it to you within the next 20 minutes in the community. Okay? Okay. Bella, I said hi. 10,000, I said hi. Satir, hello. I think I pronounced your name right. Satria. Jacob, hello. Deborah, hello. Under the Oaks, hello. Okay. I think I got everybody. All right. I love you all. God bless each and every one of you. Please be safe tomorrow, especially with the nor'easter going up the East Coast, okay? Bear hugs. 2 thumbs up. Please be safe out there, okay? Thanks for being a member of this family. Give me some time to get all the aftershocks up, okay? Love you all. Bye-bye for now. Bye, sis.